Taal Volcano Alert erupted yesterday and had precautionary evacuation as of until today. Last eruption. This Taal volcano officially erupted last 1977. There's no class on all level of school near vicinity as of now, like Kabito Batangas, Lagna and Nagan Silo at Laurel Province to Taal Volcano Island were being affected. This started at 11 a.m. yesterday, January the 12th, 2020. It produces ashes with mixture of rumbling sand. Yesterday there was lightning and thunder mixture with thick cloudy smoke, dark ashes. Drivers along the way stop and heavily traffic. It's very dangerous of now to near early places. Danger zone. Taal volcano produces hydrothermal activity eruption with thunder and lightning yesterday, January the 12th, 2020. I heard from the news that the danger was started at level alert number 2 at 11 a.m. yesterday, January the 12th, 2020, but the risk increased high. They have said also that precautionary evacuation at that time, but after 2 p.m. in the afternoon it is said that the risk and alert level can increase into alert number 3. It was also said that hold on to some updates for additional recommendation. Important reminder: don't inhale the air mix with ashes and sulfuric residue. Use gas mask or wet clothes or handkerchief before they inhale the surroundings. And for those airplanes, should stay away in the area near vicinity. It can cause mechanical failure to the planes. It just caught to my attention that still some doing fishing beside Taal volcano area, despite of the precautionary evacuation, risk and danger zone. Maybe these people don't heard the news about the precautions. Maybe some people can tell them too. This is just some reminder to avoid further accidents and injuries to their families. Evacuations still continue. Let's pray for the people of the country Philippines. Next video are the things that people should supposed to do during this occurrence of volcanic eruptions.